In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. Managing your customer list effectively is essential for keeping QuickBooks organized and accurate, especially when you need to remove old or inactive customer profiles. Whether you're cleaning up records or updating your database, this process is quick and straightforward. So, let's dive right in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Click on the sign in link and select QuickBooks Online from the available options. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password, then click Continue to proceed. Once you're successfully signed in, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Customers and Leads. This section is where you can view, edit, or organize your customer details easily. Next, select Customers to open your full list of active customers. This page lets you manage all your customer information efficiently, making it easy to find and edit records. Now, find the customer you want to remove. In the action column next to their name, click on the drop-down arrow. From the options that appear, choose Make Inactive. It's worth noting that making a customer inactive doesn't completely delete them. It simply removes them from your active list while keeping their transaction history intact. This is helpful if you ever need to restore that customer later. After selecting Make Inactive, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes, Make Inactive to confirm. The customer will then be removed from your active list, completing the deletion process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a customer from your active QuickBooks Online records. Keeping your customer list up to date ensures smoother workflows, more accurate reporting, and better overall organization.